Welcome to Divine Cooking. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for new recipes. Mutton masala gravy recipe. Let's start. 1 kilogram mutton, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 large-sized tomatoes. Add everything to pressure cooker. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Now add spices. 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 little water. Mix everything well. Close cooker and turn on flame. Put on the weight and cook for 15 minutes. Now turn off the flame. Let the steam reduce and open cooker. Cook on high flame until water dries. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. As water dried up, add oil. Half cup oil are added. Fry it on medium flame. It's almost done. Add cumin seeds and garam masala. Add a quarter glass of water for gravy, or as much you want. Cook for 2 to 5 minutes. And mutton masala gravy is ready. Dish out and garnish coriander leaves. Enjoy and don't forget to try and give us your feedback. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share for upcoming recipes. Goodbye.